This is more of an advanced exercise, but when you do it, it can also be very suitable for beginners, which means choose notes that are really, really comfortable for you. Now, for example, if I was to do a note like this, right? That's a transcending tone, basically going from quiet to loud. And if you want, you can pull back as well. But what we do here is this helps you build more color in your voice. Because what this means is I can sing quiet, I can sing loud, you can have all these colors, and that's going to make your performance already a lot more dynamic. And for some of the more advanced students here, you can actually apply this to your upper range. The goal is to be able to do this on all your notes, all parts of your range. For example, you can get these on some pretty high notes as well.